Simplifying Your Life, a guide to staying uncluttered. Living a clutter-free life might sound like a big deal, but it's actually quite simple. Here are some easy steps to help you keep things uncluttered in a way that even a child can understand. Number 1, the big deal rule. Make a big deal about everything that comes into your life. Imagine having a special list called In and Out, literally, where you keep track of things. For every new thing you bring in, make sure something else goes out. This helps you balance and avoid too much stuff piling up, if you know what I mean. Number 2, time is precious. Remember, everything that comes into your life takes up your precious time. Be careful about what you allow in. Not just toys or clothes, but even people, clubs, and shows. All these things take up space, and you need to take care of them. Keeping your space organized makes it a nice and peaceful place to be. Number 3, organize and date it. Keep a list of where you put everything, like a treasure map. If you use a tool like a screwdriver and want to find it later, use a little binocular icon like in Excel to search for it. Also, write down when you last used something. If a year passes without using or enjoying it, it's time to either use it or say goodbye. Number 4, focus on what matters. Keep your mind uncluttered too. Focus on important things like your faith. The Bible says, set your affection on things above, not on things on the earth. Colossians 3:2, King James Version. This helps you stay focused on what truly matters. Number 5, body and money balance. Apply the same rule to your body. If you eat calories, make sure you burn them through exercise. And with money, don't hoard it. Share it by giving to others or investing it wisely. Number 6, share your knowledge. Think about the information you learn. Share it with others through a blog, podcast, video series, or even a book. Turn your knowledge into something positive that can benefit the world. In conclusion, life becomes much simpler when you learn to keep balance. By making a big deal about what comes in, organizing your space, and focusing on what truly matters, you can enjoy a clutter-free and peaceful life. So keep it simple, stay uncluttered, and live happily.